Laundry symbols are drawings that represent washing, bleaching, drying, ironing, and dry cleaning instructions on textile care labels. They are designed to help you take care of your clothes properly and prevent any damage that may occur during the cleaning process. If you purchase any garment, you will find a tag on the collar. When you turn it around, you may find some symbols. These symbols are important when you wash the clothes, so that you do not damage them. So in this video, we will look at the various symbols and how to use them. The first segment is the washing symbol. So this is the washing symbol, and that says do not use the washing machine. Sometimes you may see dots inside the washing symbol. You may see one dot like you see in this image, or two or three. More dots mean use hot water. Heat may also be denoted by the number as seen in this photo. Are you wondering what the line under the bucket means? Just like the dots tell you about the temperature, lines under any symbol tell you how gentle you need to be with the garment. More lines mean more gentle. So if you see these symbols, follow the washing instruction and wash the clothes at the recommended temperature. Just like I told you that the one with the cross means do not wash, the one with the hand in the bucket means hand wash only. The next symbol group is the drying symbol. This is the tumble dry sign. The symbol on the top with the black dot means tumble dry cold. The next three symbols denote the temperature at which the tumble drying needs to take place. 1 dot is low temperature while 3 dot is high temperature. Like with the washing symbol, see the lines under the tumble drying symbol. More lines means be more gentle. The square with circle inside was symbol for machine drying. Now the next set of symbols mean we must dry it manually. The first sign is dry on a cloth line. Second means drip dry, and the third means dry in shade. Okay, so far you have seen the various symbols for washing and drying. Now let's look at the next set of symbols. If you see a bleach symbol which is a triangle, you need to be careful. Because if there is a symbol like this and you bleach the cloth, you will spoil the cloth. This symbol, a triangle with a cross or dark triangle, means do not bleach. If you see this, do not bleach the garment. If you see the triangle with the lines across to them, it means to use a non-chlorine bleach. And if the word Cl is written, then use a chlorine bleach. This is the easiest sign to decode. This means the iron. And the dots inside mean how hot the iron needs to be. 1 dot is for cool, and 3 dots for hot. This symbol means do not iron. The circle is symbol for dry cleaning. That means a circle stands for dry clean only, and a cross on a circle means do not dry clean. Now that you know the secret for the symbols, let me know in the comment box below what these symbols stand for. See you in the next video.